हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं चंचल कुमारी हमारे चैनल अटर स्टडी पॉइंट पर आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत करते हूँ। बच्चों, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि अब धीरे धीरे यूनिवर्सिटी एग्ज़ाम्स के बारे में अपडेट दे रही है। जैसा कि अब तक सुनने में आया है कि ग्रेजुएशन के एग्ज़ाम जुलाई अगस्त में होने की बताए जा रहे हैं, उस अकॉर्डिंग अब जल्द ही पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के एग्ज़ाम की अपडेट मिल जाएगी और पेपर पैटर्न भी 60% कर दिए गए, तो एग्ज़ाम होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम आरयू के एमएससी प्रीवियस फिजिक्स के सिलेबस के बारे में बात करेंगे और साथ ही साथ देखेंगे कि पेपर पैटर्न कैसा होता है। उसके बाद हम टॉपिक वाइज सिलेबस देखेंगे। शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, हर सत्र में लगभग यही सिलेबस रहता है और कोई चेंजेस भी आते हैं तो हम तो है ही आपको अपडेट करने के लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि एमएससी प्रीवियस फिजिक्स में कितने पेपर होते हैं। तो एमएससी प्रीवियस फिजिक्स में 4 पेपर होते हैं। पेपर फर्स्ट क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स एंड मैथमेटिकल मेथड्स इन फिजिक्स, पेपर 2 क्लासिकल इलेक्ट्रोडायनामिक्स, पेपर थर्ड क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स एटॉमिक एंड मॉलिकुलर फिजिक्स, पेपर फोर्थ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड न्यूमेरिकल मेथड्स एंड कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 100 है तथा ड्यूरेशन टाइम 3 आवर्स है। कोरोना काल में थोड़ा पेपर में छूट दे दी गई है, पेपर पैटर्न में थोड़ी छूट दे दी गई है, तो अब आपको पेपर 60 नंबर का ही अटैम्प्ट करना होता है, जबकि उसका टाइम ड्यूरेशन 2 आवर्स कर दिया गया है। पेपर पैटर्न में हम आगे बात करेंगे कि पेपर पैटर्न कैसा होता है। इन ऑल 10 क्वेश्चन आर टू बी सेट, 5 फ्रॉम ईच सेक्शन। कैंडिडेट आर रिक्वायर्ड टू अटेम्प्ट 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल, टेकिंग एटलीस्ट 2 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ईच सेक्शन। टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन होंगे। 5 क्वेश्चन एक सेक्शन में होंगे, 5 क्वेश्चन 2 सेक्शन में होंगे। आई मीन टू से टोटल 2 सेक्शन होंगे, जिनमें से एक सेक्शन में 5 क्वेश्चन, दूसरे सेक्शन में भी 5 क्वेश्चन होंगे। कैंडिडेट को टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन ही अटैम्प्ट करने हैं, टेकिंग एटलीस्ट 2 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ईच सेक्शन। एक सेक्शन से कम 2 क्वेश्चन करने हैं, मतलब 2+3 या 3+2 के रेशियो से करना है, जबकि कोरोना काल में किसी भी सेक्शन के कोई भी 3 क्वेश्चन करने हैं, जबकि आज से पहले आपको एक सेक्शन में 2, दूसरे सेक्शन में 3 या एक सेक्शन में 3, दूसरे सेक्शन में 2 क्वेश्चन करने होते थे। अब हम आगे बात करेंगे टॉपिक वाइज सिलेबस की। तो पेपर फर्स्ट क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स एंड मैथमेटिकल मेथड्स इन फिजिक्स, सेक्शन ए, यूनिट फर्स्ट होलोनोमिक एंड नॉन होलोनोमिक कंस्टेंट, डेलम्बर्ट प्रिंसिपल, जनरलाइज कोऑर्डिनेट, लैग्रांजियन, लैग्रांज इक्वेशन एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशन, वेलोसिटी डिपेंडेंट पोटेंशियल इन लैग्रांजियन फॉर्मुलेशन, जनरलाइज्ड मोमेंटम, लेजेंड्रे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, हैमिल्टोनियन, हैमिल्टन्स कैनोनिकल इक्वेशन। यूनिट सेकंड कैलकुलेशन ऑफ वेरिएशन एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशन टू सिंपल प्रॉब्लम, Hamilton's variational principle, derivation of Lagrange and Hamilton canonical equation from Hamilton's variational principle, extension of Hamilton's principle for non-conservative and non-holonomic system, method of Lagrange multipliers, conservation principle and Noether theorem, conservation of energy, linear momentum and angular momentum as a consequences of homogeneity of time and scope and isotropy of space respectively. Unit third canonical transformation, integral invariants of Poincare, Lagrange and Poisson bracket as canonical invariants, equation of motion in Poisson bracket formulation, infinitesimal contact transformation, Liouville theorem, Hamilton Jacobi equation and its application. Unit fourth action angle variable, adiabatic invariance of action variable, the Kepler problem in action angle variables, theory of small oscillation in Lagrangian formulation, normal coordinate and in its application, orthogonal transformation, Eulerian angles, Euler theorem, eigenvalue of the inertia tensor, Euler equation, force free motion of a rigid body. Section B, unit 5th coordinate transportation in n-dimensional space, quantavariant and covariant tensor, Jacobian relative tensor, pseudo tensor, algebra of tensor, metric tensor, associate tensor, Riemannian space, Christoffel symbol, transformation of Christoffel symbols, covariant differentiation, Ricci's theorem, divergence, curl and Laplacian in tensor form, stress and strain tensor, Hooke's law in tensor form, Lorentz covariance of Maxwell equation, test of covariance of Schrodinger equation. Unit 6, group of transformation, Generators of a finite group, normal subgroup, direct product of group, isomorphism, homomorphism, representation, theory of finite group, invariant subspace and reducible representation, crystallographic point groups, irreducible representation of C transition group and the reciprocal lattice. Unit 7, Fourier transform, development of the Fourier integral from the Fourier series, Fourier and inverse Fourier transform, finite wave train with Gaussian amplitude, Fourier transform of derivative, solution of wave equation as an application, convolution theorem, intensity in terms of spectral density for quasi-monochromatic EM waves, momentum representation, application to hydrogen atom and harmonic oscillator problems, application of Fourier transform to diffraction theory, diffraction pattern of 1 and 2 slits. Unit 8, Laplace transform and their properties, Laplace transform of derivatives and integral of Laplace transform of periodic function, inverse Laplace transform, convolution theorem, impulsive function, application of Laplace transform in solving linear differential equation with constant coefficient with variable coefficient and linear partial differential equation. Paper 2, Classical Electrodynamics, Section A, Unit 1st, Electrostatics, E.F. Gauss law, differential form of Gauss law, another equation of electrostatics and the scalar potential, surface distribution of charged and dipoles and discontinuities in the electric field and potential, Poisson and Laplace equation, Green's theorem, uniqueness of the solution with the Dirichlet and Newman boundary condition, formal solution of electrostatic boundary value problem with Green function, electrostatic potential, energy and energy density, capacitance, boundary value problems in electrostatics, method of images, point charge in the presence of grounded conducting sphere, point charge in the presence of a charge insulated conducting sphere, point charge near a conducting sphere at a fixed potential conducting sphere in uniform electric field by method of images, Green function for the sphere, general solution for the potential conducting sphere with hemispheres at different potential, orthogonal function and expansion. Unit 2nd, multipoles, electrostatics of macroscopic media, dielectrics, multipole expansion of the energy of the charge distribution in external field, elementary treatment of electrostatics with permeable media, boundary value problem with dielectrics, molar polarizability and electric susceptibility, models for molecular polarizability, electrostatic energy in dielectric media. Unit 3rd, Section A, Magnetostatics, Introduction and Definition, Biot and Savart law, the differential equation of magnetostatics and Ampere's law, vector potential and magnetic induction for a circular current loop, magnetic field of a localized current distribution in external magnetic induction, macroscopic equation, boundary condition on B and H, method of solving boundary value problems in magnetostatics, uniformly magnetized sphere in external field, permanent magnets, magnet shielding, spherical shell of permeable material in a uniform field. Unit 4, derivation of the equation of macroscopic electromagnetism, Poynting theorem and conservation of energy and momentum for a system of charged particle and EM fields, conservation law for macroscopic media, electromagnetic field tensor, transformation of 4 potential and 4 currents, tensor description of Maxwell equation. Section B, Unit 5, plane electromagnetic waves and waves equation, plane wave in a non-conducting medium, frequency dispersion, characteristics of dielectrics, conductor and plasmas, waves in conducting or dissipative medium, superposition of waves in one dimension, group velocity, causality connection between D and in Kramer's Kronig relation. Unit 6, Magnetohydrodynamics and plasma physics, introduction and definition, imaged equation, magnetic diffusion, viscosity and pressure, pinch effect, instabilities in a pinch plasma column, magnetohydrodynamic waves, plasma oscillation, short wavelength, limit of plasma oscillation and Debye shielding distance. Unit 7, covariant form of electrodynamic equation, mathematical properties of the space-time, spatial relativity, invariance of electric charge, invariance of electrodynamics, transformation of electromagnetic field, radiation by moving charge, linear with charge potential for a point charge, invariance of electrodynamic, total power radiated by an accelerated charge, Larmor formula and its relativistic generalization, angular distribution of radiation emitted by an accelerated charge, Radiation emitted by a charge in arbitrary extremely relativistic motion distribution in frequency and angle of energy radiated by accelerated charge Thomson scattering and radiation scattering by Cauchy-free charges coherent and incoherent scattering Sankov radiation. Unit 8 radiation damping self fields of a particle scattering and absorption of radiation by a bound system. Introductory consideration radiative reaction force from conservation of energy Abram-Lorentz evaluation of the self force difficulties with Abram-Lorentz model integral differential equation of motion including radiation damping line breadth and level shift of an oscillator scattering and absorption of radiation by an oscillator energy transfer to a harmonically bound charge. Paper 3rd Quantum Mechanics, Atomic and Molecular Physics. Section A. Unit 1st A. States, amplitude and operator. States of a quantum mechanical system. Representation of quantum mechanical state. Properties of quantum mechanical amplitude. Operators and change of state. A complete set of basis state products of linear operator. Language of quantum mechanics. Postulate essential definitions and computation relation. B. Observable description of system process of measurement, expectation value, time dependence of quantum mechanical amplitude. Observable with no classical analog, spin dependence of quantum mechanical amplitude on position, the wave function, superposition of amplitudes, identical particle. Unit 2nd Hamiltonian matrix and the time evolution of quantum mechanical states. Hermiticity of the Hamiltonian matrix, time independent perturbation of an arbitrary system. Simple metric example of time independent perturbation. Energy given state of a two-state system. Diagonalizing of energy matrix. Time independent perturbation of two-state system. The perturbative solution, weak field and strong field case. General description of two-state system. Pauli matrices. Ammonia molecule as an example of two-state system. Unit 3rd Transition between stationary states. Transition in a two-state system. Time dependent perturbation. The golden rule. Phase space. Emission and absorption of radiation. Induced dipole transition and spontaneous emission of a radiation energy with of a quasi stationary state. The coordinate representation. Compatible observable quantum condition and uncertainty relation. Coordinate representation of operator position, momentum and angular momentum. Time dependence of expectation value. Schrodinger equation. Energy quantization. Periodic potential as an example. Unit 4 Symmetries and angular momentum. Compatible observable and constant of motion. Symmetry transformation and conservation. Low representation of the angular momentum operators and their eigenstate. Coordinate representation of the orbital angular momentum operators and their eigenstate. Composition of angular momentum. Clebsch-Gordan coefficient. Tensor operators and Wigner-Expert theorem. Commutation relation of Jx, Jy with reduced spherical tensor operator matrix element of a vector operators. Time reversible invariance and vanishing of static electric dipole moment of a stationary state. Section B. Unit 5th Hydrogen atom. Gross structure energy spectrum. Probability distribution of radial and angular. L = 1 2. Wave function. No derivation. Effect of spin relativistic correction to energy level and fine structure. Magnetic dipole interaction and hyperfine structure. The Lamb shift only and qualitative description. Unit 6 Interaction with external field. Not degenerate. First order stationary perturbation method. Atom in weak uniform external electric field and first and second order Stark effect. Calculation of the polarizability of the ground state of H atom and end of an isotropic harmonic oscillator. Degenerate stationary perturbation theory. Linear Stark effect for H atom levels. Inclusion of spin orbit and weak magnetic field. Zeeman effect. Strong magnetic field and calculation of interaction energy. Unit 7th System with identical particles. Indistinguishability and exchange symmetry. Many particle wave function and Pauli exclusion principle. Spectroscopic term for atom. The helium atom variational method and its use in the calculation of ground state and excited state energy. Helium atom. The hydrogen molecule. Hitler-London method for H2 molecule. WKB method for one-dimensional problem application to bound states. Bohr-Sommerfeld quantization and the alpha decay problem. Unit 8 spectroscopic qualitative general feature of the spectra of 1 and 2 electron system, singlet, doublet and triplet characters of emission spectra, general feature of alkali spectra, rotation and vibration band spectrum of a molecule, P, Q and R branch, Raman spectra for rotational vibrational transition. Comparison with infrared spectra, general feature of electronic spectra, Frank and Condon principle. Paper 4th Electronics Numerical Method and Computer Programming. Section A. Unit 1st Operational Amplifier, Differential Amplifier, Circuit Configuration, Dual Input, Balance Output, Differential Amplifier, DC Analysis, AC Analysis, Inverting and Non-Inverting Input, CMMR, Constant Current, Bias Level Translator, Block Diagram of a typical op-amp analysis, Open Loop Configuration, Inverting and Non-Inverting Amplifier, op-amp with negative feedback voltage, Series feedback, Effect of feedback on closed loop gain, Input resistance, Output resistance, Bandwidth and Output offset voltage, Voltage follower, Practical op-amp, Input offset voltage, Input bias current, Input offset current, Total output offset voltage, CMRR, Frequency response, DC and AC amplifiers, summing and scaling and averaging amplifiers, instrumentation amplifier, integrated and differentiator. Unit 2nd Oscillator and wave shaping circuit, oscillator principle, oscillator types, frequency, stability, response, the phase shift oscillator, Wien bridge oscillator, LC tunnelable oscillator, multi-vibrator, monostable and astable, square wave and triangle wave generation. Unit 3rd Digital Electronics, combinational logic, the transistor as a switch circuit, realization of OR and NOT and NAND gates, exclusive OR gate, Boolean algebra, De Morgan's theorem, adder, subtractor, comparator, decoder, demultiplexer, data selector, multiplexer, encoder, sequential logic, flip-flops, 1-bit memory, the RS flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T and D flip-flop, JK master slave flip-flop, shift register, synchronous and asynchronous counter, cascade counter, binary counter, decade counter. Basic concept about fabrication and characteristics of integrated circuit. Unit 4 Microprocessor, Introduction to Microcomputers, Memory Input Output Interfacing Device, 8085, CPU Architecture, BUS Timings, Demultiplexing, the address bus, Generating Control Signal, Instruction Set, Addressing Modes, Illustrative Programs, Writing Assembly Language Programs, Looping, Counting and Indexing Counters and Timing Delays and Subroutine. Section B, Unit 5th Error in Numerical Analysis, Source of Error, Round of Error, Computer Arithmetic Error Analysis, Condition and Stability, Approximation, Functional and Error Analysis, the Method of Undetermined Coefficient, Use of Interpolation Formula, Iterated Interpolation, Inverse Interpolation, Hermite and Spline Interpolation, Solution of Linear Equation, Direct and Iterative Method, Calculation of Eigenvalue and Eigenvector for Symmetric Matrices. Unit 6 Solution of Nonlinear Equation, Bisection Method, Newton's Method, Modified Newton's Method, Method of Iteration, Newton's Method and Method of Iteration for a System, Causation, Newton's Method for the case of complex root, Integration of a function, trapezoidal and Simpson rule, Gaussian quadrature formula, singular integrals, double integration. Unit 7th Integration of Ordinary Differential Equation, Predictor Character Method, Runge-Kutta Method, Simultaneous and Higher Order Equation, Numerical Integration and Differentiation of Data, Least Square Approximation, Fast Fourier Transform, Some Elementary Information about Computer, CPU, Memory, Input Output Device, Super Mini and Micro System and etc. Unit 8 Fortin 7 Variable Expression, Jumping, Branching and Looping Statements, Input Output Statement for Binding Input Output File, Subroutine, External Function, Special Statement, Common Entry Format, Pause, Equivalence, Programming of Simple Problem involving use of interpolation, differentiation, इंटीग्रेशन, मैट्रिक इन्वर्जन एंड लीस्ट स्क्वायर एनालिसिस. जैसा कि आपने देखा कि सभी सेक्शन में 4 यूनिट थी, तो एक पेपर में टोटल 8 यूनिट है. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया हो या कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. आप इस सिलेबस को स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भी सेव कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड सभी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके स्टूडेंट, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।